Welcome to our channel. Dark mode on YouTube, TV reduces eye strain and saves battery on OLED screens. Follow these steps to enable dark mode. Step 1. Open YouTube TV on your device and sign in to your account with your Google credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen to access your account menu. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to access various configuration options for your YouTube TV experience. Step 4. Look for Appearance, Theme, or Display Settings within the Settings menu. Step 5. Find the option for Dark Mode, Dark Theme, or Appearance mode in the display settings. Step 6. Toggle the dark mode switch to the on position. The interface should immediately change to a darker color scheme. Step 7. If available, choose between automatic dark mode based on system settings or device time, and manual dark mode that stays on always. Step 8. Exit settings and return to browsing YouTube TV to experience the new dark interface throughout the app. Step 9. Adjust your device's screen brightness if needed to optimize viewing comfort in dark mode. Step 10. Note that dark mode settings may sync across devices if you're using the same Google account on multiple platforms. Step 11. To revert to light mode, simply return to settings and toggle dark mode off. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.